Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove other profile on Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Okay, after that here you can press profile icon at the bottom. And then you can select your account. Then here please scroll down and select manage your profile. Okay, after that here you can select the profile you want to remove from your Amazon account. Well, and then here you can select remove this profile. And then click once again. Okay, and then the profile on your Amazon account is successfully deleted. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove other profile on Amazon account on an Android device. Thank you.